Hi, we're here today to talk about the Avigilon H5A dual head camera. Just want to bring a few benefits to you guys and just to familiarise yourselves with what it can do for you. So we've got Steve here that's going to tell us all about it.
Yes, so as the name sort of suggests, it's a dual head camera, the new offering from Avigilon. So dual head meaning it's now got two lenses rather than the one lens. Brilliant now if you've got a tight space and you need to look in different directions. You've got two lenses that you can sort of angle to look where you want. So perfect for hallways, stick it in the middle of the hallway, look down both ways. Intersections in hallways, anywhere really where you're tight on space and you need to look in multiple directions, whereas historically you'd need two cameras. Now it makes it more cost effective, you just have one of these and it's perfect really. It's available with two lens types, 3 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Both of these are varifocal, so it's perfect. You can really drill the image into what you want to look at.
So as the name suggests, H5A, I suppose it's got analytics.
Yeah, it's got the full suite of Avigilon analytics with it, which is brilliant. You can do your motion detection, your person detection, vehicle detection, objects crossing a line, objects entering an area, the entire suite. So yeah, really powerful offering.
Oh, fabulous. So where do our customers buy it from?
Of course, you can buy it from Ecl-ips. So please visit our website, www.ecl-ips.com. Contact us through there, buy it on our online store. I think we've got an online chat now as well.
We have indeed, yeah. So if you just go onto our website, onto the online chat, you can have a chat with one of us for 20-30 minutes and then you can get an idea of how it can help you and we can help you further with whatever you need to do on your project. Alternatively, you can visit our YouTube channel for more videos, a lot more like this, introducing more products.